Roll the dice. You got double binaria. Wow, now those are some real snake eyes. But that slime screams more snail than anything. So how about you all break out of your shell? Of course, sometimes it's safer to stay inside. Okay, someone tell Paul to pick up his giraffe. Oh no, your friends. Well, save what's left of them. We can always make new ones. Ugh, drain that slime. You know, if you're making a spider, 8 eyes is enough. To make a mouth, he can hold our sprunky friends. But we should probably add a cover. Not to mention some holes for teeth. Use nails. I'm sure you get the point. Add some paint. Black is your color. Of course, a little red never hurt anyone. Guess everybody needs to get a head. Our new friend is a sharp-dressed thing. Uh-oh, guess who's back? Stomach bigger than your eyes? This guy's another story. Skibidi, Sprunky, and Transformers all together. What does that make? I don't know. Check the box. Ooh, looks like there's some assembly required. It's time to bring some Sprunkies together. Remember, Mr. Sun is always watching. Always watching. Wow, these building blocks are really going back to basics. This porcelain throne will be Mr. Sun's crown. Now it's time for a few extensions. This stuff also makes for the perfect armor. This'll help our new creation live large. Well, at least he can stand tall with this fancy footwear. Okay, we made something for the feet. Let's move on to hands. We just need one for now. Now, our guy could use a fresh coat of paint. Gray's a nice base, but let's add some color. Guess we're going for the bumblebee look, but maybe not on top. You know, his mouth is looking a little dry. Here, our special potion should fix you up. I'd watch out for that dribble, though. It's not typing practice, but we're gonna need that keyboard. Just cut out some squares. And maybe add some color. Maybe add a touch of black. Now rock those shoulder speakers. Of course, we're gonna need some wires. Don't forget to add a cover too. Now try it out. Some wheels will help get things rolling. No shame in still needing training wheels. He looks good, but he still needs something. Guess we gotta craft up a sword. Just remember to help make it fit. Now for some slime. And a few other finishing touches. Oh, don't forget to oil those hinges. But now, it's time for the big unveiling. Those Titans better watch out. Decepticons, too. Things sure get spooky here in Sprunky Town. I just knew we should have went to Funky Town. Well, while we're here, we might as well play the pyramid. Check out the pyramids inside. Look, it's Orin. And it looks like she's in good company. Don't you just hate it when someone gets under your skin? Of course, Oaxis will see our side soon enough. See? He's already embracing his dark side. Pretty soon, he won't be the only one. Orin knows it's best to keep an open mind. But we can always reuse these parts. Jeepers creepers, time to add some peepers. Don't worry, the heat will cauterize everything. Well, almost. Does anyone have a napkin? Still, now there's plenty of room for some fresh new organs. And now it looks like ribs are on the menu. Oh, it looks like Ratty wants to say hi. But now it looks like he needs to split. No bones about it. Still, let's help him get the point. Ooh, ouch. He could use some color, like a nice coat of green. Red and green just pair well together. I think Simon needs a little privacy. But we've got to keep on schedule. Besides, don't you want to show everyone your new smile? Anyone in the mood for pasta? You know, Simon always wanted to be a Cyclops. Of course, they usually have at least one eye. Veneria could use a little haircut. How about a new do? And maybe some eye surgery. Hair's not the only thing that gets extensions. And we don't just mean eyes either. Looks like someone's got a big mouth. Now for teeth. Ooh, anyone up for a bite? Hey, Pinky, how about a makeover? What you need are some seashells and clay. Let's add eyes. Of course, you only need 2. And who says mouths can't be vertical? Almost done. Just need ears. Come on, Sky. Open wide, like at the dentist's. Careful about dribbling. Now for a little trepanning. Are things too bright in here for you? Try on some shades, but you still want to see. You're never fully dressed without slime. Everyone sure looks spooky, kooky, and altogether ooky. So how about a little before and after to finish things off?